What is up, guys? About to go on a cruise, and we're actually going to use a real camera. My dad was nice enough to lend me his GoPro, so we're going to do a little POV drive. What is up, guys? Hope y'all are doing well. It's been a little bit. I've had this idea for actually like a very long time, but I asked my dad if I could use his camera and he said yes, so hope y'all enjoy. I've been pretty busy with school recently, so I just want to thank y'all all for the support that I've been getting recently. 442 subscribers, I believe. It's crazy. I started off with 70 with my old YouTube channel, and I've already gained 400 in like 2 to 3 months. So I just want to thank all of y'all for that. And I'm gonna keep on making videos for y'all. So, if you are new here, I'm in high school, and if any of y'all are in high school, I want to know if it's like a normal thing for people to just absolutely suck at driving. Like, I've almost been hit twice just in today. Some dude was literally like this close from hitting my car, the rear fender. And then earlier, some girl literally hopped the curb in a Mustang, the 5.0. I don't know what it is with people getting their kids sports cars for the first cars, but she literally hopped the curb and almost hit me. I had to slam on my horn, and then she's yelling like, bro, that is completely your fault. It's definitely gonna take some time getting used to driving with the brick in front of my face. I can like barely see. The place we're headed to like right now is more of a curvy place, and I know it's nothing like California roads, anything like that, but it's what I got in Texas, so I gotta deal with it. It's literally just like 3 turns, but I enjoy it. Do y'all think like pop tunes and stuff like that's cool? Because I mean, it would be pretty cool. Mine already crackles and pops a little bit, but I don't know. I don't really think I'm gonna do too much of those. This camera keeps falling, man. I hope the angles are pretty good. I literally won't know until after I'm back. So while we're behind this car, make sure you like and subscribe. Put criticism in the comments because it helps me. Like last time I put the quality, or I put the music too loud. A couple of y'all let me know. Now like next time I know not to make it as loud. But yeah, it really helps, so just let me know. I'm not gonna do any other pulls, but I know some of y'all are gonna be complaining, so here y'all go. That's it. After this year, I'm gonna be going to community college, and then I'm gonna transfer to college, but I'm thinking about getting a daily when I'm doing that. I may get like a EK hatch, like a 98 manual. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be really cool for the channel too. Or a Honda Fit, the 6-speed, like the 2008, because those are just really cool. It's basically like an EK hatch. Or like a single cab truck, like the drop trucks. I've always loved those. The F-150 single cabs, those are sick, but I'm not gonna have the funds for that when I'm in college. So most likely it's gonna be EK hatch or the Honda Fit. Did I hear that? If y'all are wondering what exhaust I have, and not because it sounds bad, it's long tube headers with cats, then an X pipe, and then a resonator and dumped. That's what y'all are hearing right now. I do have a valve system, which kind of hard to show y'all since I'm driving. And it goes through a muffler. I'm not sure what muffler it is. It honestly looks stock, the tips do. I'm thinking about just like changing the tips for now, like to some like 4.5 like chrome tips, and then maybe one day get like Corsos or something. But as a senior, I don't have the funds for literally anything. I'm just gas, and that's it. So right now I'm gonna go to the gas station. I gotta take a thumbnail, and I want to talk to y'all for a second. Oh my god, this hat's getting on my nerves, dude. Okay, fix it a little bit. I need to get a different hat. This is pretty aggravating, and I'm sure it doesn't look the greatest for y'all, but it is my first time doing this, so hope you are a little lenient. Y'all hear that? That's what a cammed LS sounds like, buddy. I need to take my cats out because in real life it's really loud, but in videos it's pretty not that loud. You know what I mean? It's it could be a little louder. I just have to get my car tuned, and I don't want to do that right now. So later on, guys, this is going to be something I end up doing, and I will do a video on that. Ew. I might crash out, dude. This hat keeps falling in my face. Does y'all's area have like a pretty good like car scene? I know like, whoa. I know like dang, he's flying. I know some of my friends, they have some cool cars. Like I talked about my friend with the Roush 427. He's gonna be coming out with me probably sometime. He needs to get his car back. And I have a friend with the 350Z that shoots flames. Most of my friends have drop trucks, 'cause that's kind of like the thing. in Texas. And y'all see my other friends, the one in the cruise. Got to. See, I don't think y'all hear how loud it is in video. I think y'all probably think my car is quiet. It literally hurts to hear. Let me over, please. Thank you. So this is either gonna be hit or miss. There's either gonna be a lot of people there. Oh, speaking of my friend, that's Jaden. What the heck? I'm doing a POV drive. What the heck? Yeah, those are my friends. They're pretty cool. Vance's, his shoots flames, and Jaden's is like fully custom. That's so funny. We were literally just talking about them. Yeah, not that many people here. Not one person. I'm still at that stage where I'll get like nervous doing these type of things. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna make a TikTok too, so you know, gotta do it for the YouTube shorts and TikTok. Tom hate to see me coming. Nah, they're pretty chill. They don't normally care because I'm not stupid. I don't be doing takeovers, any of that stupid stuff. Okay, let's go like this. Oh, well, now there's cars coming. Let's do this real quick. No, I'm gonna look like an idiot, but it's fine. Okay, I probably look really stupid right now, but if y'all are new, this is my car. Pretty cool. Custom lights, cammed, because you know every Corvette has to be cammed. Yeah, this is one of my favorite cars. I've obviously owned, because I've only owned 2 cars. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you on a second. I'm gonna record TikTok. I'm gonna change of plans. I'm meeting up with my friends at Sonic, so that's the end of the POV, guys. Hope y'all like that. Probably gonna record a little bit with him, if that's fine with him, obviously. But yeah, this is the setup I'm using. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Probably do that a few times if y'all did, because you know it's really up to y'all. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in a second.
I'm gonna download it.
Alright. Alright, see you, Vince.
See you.
Shoot. Why are you revving? That actually sounds pretty good though. Huh? Yeah, no, it sounds good. Yeah, the brakes. Hooligans, bro.
Does it still hit hard?
A little bit. Right now, no. The seatbelt, yeah, the seatbelt is.
I don't know if I like that. Put a window in the back, and it's been sounding quieter recently. Yeah. Oh, okay. I will. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm gonna go. No, I'm gonna go to your house. Yeah. They moved my curfew. Oh, hey guys, this is another day driving a manual C5 Corvette, but I'm in a Ranger with the 15-inch sub. Yeah, loudest Ranger in Dallas.
Yeah. This is like a clip bar. Oh, there you go, bro. The whole thing's sick.
wallet. She just shops and beauty parlor. Cover up these $30. She got some contemplate.
So loud. Yeah. Bro. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hopefully I'll see y'all next week. See ya.